Triangulation method. Triangulation method. Height of an accessible object. Concept. A flat ground. A tree stands. The height is h. A man at a distance x from the tree, looking at the top of the tree at an angle of theta. This method is used to find the height of a tower or tree when the base is accessible and the angle of elevation is measurable from certain distance. Assumptions. The object, tower or tree, stands vertically on flat ground. We can walk a known distance from the base. We can measure the angle of elevation from that point. Let's define. Let AB equals h be the height of the tree. Let C be the point of observation at a distance x from the point B. Let angle ACB equals theta be the angle of elevation from the point C. From the triangle ABC, this ABC triangle is a right angle triangle and the right angle falls at B. Tan theta equals opposite side divided by adjacent side. The opposite side is AB equals h and the adjacent side equals BC equals x. So tan theta equals h upon x. From here we can find the value of h as x tan theta. This is the final formula. Here h is the height of the object, x is the horizontal distance from the object, theta is the angle of elevation.